Guys, so I'm just starting off with a clean face. I just washed it with the water, plain water. So the package contains a cleanser, a toner, that's the toner right there, and finally the daily cream, which is a moisturizer. So I'm starting off with a cleanser. You need to wet your face so that it can lather up easily. I'm taking a pea-sized amount as I'm showing you, and then distributing it all over my face. And then now in circular motions, just start massaging the cleanser onto the face. So it claims to be cleansing and clarifying. It visibly evens the skin tone and improves the skin complexion. It has a quick lather and it also has a quick rinse. I have been using this for about 3 months now, and I find it to be really clarifying, and it has really evened out my skin tone. What I like about it is that a little goes a long way. So you just take a small amount and then you're good to go. So I feel like I have already done that enough. It's all over my face. And I'll just go wash that out. So I already rinsed that out and just patted my face to dry. I hope you can see that it has this matte effect. It has this mattifying effect, and I love it, especially if you have oily skin. You really love it. So just take your toner now and a piece of cotton wool. Like I said, a little goes a long way. I just want to show you the consistency of this toner. It has this milky, slimy consistency. And it claims to soften the skin, revive and refresh, and visibly illuminate the skin. So again, distributing it all over my face and then spreading it so that it covers my entire face. I really like it because it gives me a glow. So that's that. I think we're done. I hope you're seeing the difference. And now we're going to be going to the moisturizer. So again, a little bit goes a long way. Just take a pea-sized amount onto your finger like that, and then distribute it on your face. And again, in circular motions, start applying that. Be careful not to put too much, because sometimes you can go overboard and your whole face will be white, especially if you're not applying anything else like makeup on your face. You are going to look look weird. So this cream says to reduce dark marks, visibly evens the skin tone, and gives you 8 hours of less shine. And that is the whole routine. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you haven't. If you have subscribed, turn on the notification bell. Bye guys, see you next time.